Hi, I'm Ankit Verma, technical architect at To The New. I help our clients and teams drive real business insights using generative AI.
So, what's brewing in tech at To The New these days besides this coffee?
I would say a lot of GenAI stuff, co-pilots, AI agents, and intelligent automations across different industries.
What's the one tech myth you want to bust about GenAI?
I have been hearing that a lot of GenAI is here for your jobs. It's indeed to raise your bar and evolve you along.
How would you explain your job to your grandmother?
Well, a difficult one, but I would say I teach computers how to think and help people use that magic at work.
What's one piece of advice you'd give to someone just starting their journey in GenAI?
Be informative, stay innovative, stay updated, and always keeps your hands dirty.
If you could create a GenAI assistant to take over one part of your job, what would it be?
Definitely it's going to be meeting summaries and preparing me for what's coming next. I want AI to be my brain and my memory.